Alright guys, what we're looking at here is a 2007 Dodge Ram, and the issue that we're running into with this is there's actually water coming into the cab and it's dripping right out of these handle holes here. It's just coming right out as you drive. So if it sits in the rain, it collects somewhere under the headliner, and then as you're driving it actually starts to drip right out of here, or you can feel all this is wet. And that's happening on both sides on this truck. This truck does have a sunroof, so we're going to take a look if that's where the issue is. There are 4 drain tubes on the sunroof. There's 2 in the back, kind of hard to see back there, and there's 2 on the front. Right here, you can see that hole right in there. So basically, the water from top collects into this channel here. It'll drain either on the left side here, or it'll drain onto the drain hole on the right side. And there's same thing in the back of the sunroof. The frame itself has 2 more drains in the back. So to test this, what we'll do is we'll pour some water in this channel and see if it'll actually drain through the drain tubes on the corners of the sunroof. You can totally see that the water is actually not even draining. It's just sitting in here. So eventually, when enough water builds up in here, it's going right through the frame and into the headliner. That drain hole that's supposed to be draining is definitely clogged. So let's go take a look at where they actually come out at. Open up the driver's door here. You can see it'll drain nipples right in here. That's actually where the sunroof drain tube is connected to. Here's a little better view of it. You can kind of see the drain nipple right in here. It seems to be the end of it's clogged. I'm just going to poke it with a screw, and there you go. There comes the water. It's draining from the sunroof on the passenger side. And there's the water. So I just poked it with a screwdriver. Drain tubes in the back also of the sunroof, and those are actually here in between the cab and the bed. You can see this nipple sticking out right here. That's the drain for the back of the sunroof. Okay, kind of hard to get to because there's only just so much room between the bed and the cab itself. There's one on each side. So there's one on the driver's side and there's another one on the passenger side. And here is that drain on the passenger side of the truck between the cab and the bed. So now that we've cleared the end of the drain tubes, it looks like all the water has drained out of this channel here. If you've got something clogged, it's not at the end of the tube. Another thing we can try is some air pressure. Take an air nozzle with the long tip on it, and we're going to put that into the drain holes on the sunroof channel, and see if we can blow some of that dirt and leaves and tree sap out of there and unclog the system. Nozzle right into the drain hole there, and put the air pressure there. We're going to do that on both sides of at least the front both sides of the sunroof. Now the back drains are kind of hard to get to without taking the headliner apart, but I don't think I have an issue with the drains on the back of this sunroof, so I'm going to leave these alone. So now when I actually pour water into this channel, you can see it running right down the drain, that drain hole there. It's no longer clogged. I was able to clean up the sunroof channel itself, and we'll go ahead and lubricate it with the silicone lubricant, and I think we'll be in good shape. Thank you for watching.